Okay, let's make a start. IELTS speaking part 1. What do you think is the best age to learn driving?
I think best age for learning driving is 18 age. In my opinion, it is best age because a person become mature minded and can handle everything.
Okay, how do you feel about getting old?
I think it's a natural thing, and I feel happy
You feel happy that you're going to get older one day?
because
Alright.
it's done. We cannot deny
Yeah, it's
it.
natural. I cannot control it.
Yeah.
So, like that. Okay. Should we treat people of different ages in the same way?
No, because when we are a child, we treat with politely, and if we adults, so we behave like on dependent circumstances. If we getting old, so I think we behavior good.
Okay,
with them.
all right. So your ideas are not very well organized, well connected, and try to use compound senses
Okay.
mainly. What is an ideal age according to you?
According my younger age is my
According my younger age, this is wrong sentence.
According to my-
me,
according to
young
me.
age between 15 to 19 or something like that. Come on.
Okay.
So what's the ideal age according to you?
According to me, younger age is my ideal age because we are full of energy, do anything. That's why it's my favorite.
All right, it's good. Jaan chhadao, haan, syapa muke, jaan chote. Try to take interest and speak more. Let's go on. It's your turn. Do you like fish?
Yes, I like to fish.
You like to fish or
Yes,
you
I
like
like-
fish?
yes, I
Okay,
like
all
fish.
right, no problem. So,
Yes, I like fish. Fish because fish is a very helpful for my health, for us health, especially winter seasons. Yes, I like the fish.
all right, I like to fish is wrong.
Yeah.
I love
Like
to eat fish,
eat fish.
or I like to eat fish. Okay. Why do people keep fish as a pet?
My usually the people fishing because earning money nowadays.
My question is different. Why do people keep fish at home as a pet?
I can't understand.
For beauty, right? So they have aquarium in their house. It's very soothing to look at the aquarium, and then to add color to their drawing room. People keep fish because there are many colorful fish. So you need to come up with some
Yes.
ideas, okay? Okay, let's go on. Where can you see fish?
I see I see fish.
I can see the fish.
I can see the fish.
Yeah, you're going to make my English upside down, huh? मेरी English भी पुट्ठी हो जानी है. Yeah. So where can you see fish? I can see the fish.
I can see the fish rivers and sea and
In the rivers and
in the river
sea.
sea. I can see the fish my hometown.
In my hometown.
In my hometown, a lake.
There is a lake.
There is a lake.
Okay.
forest.
All right. So just talk about the places where you can see the fish. You can say, well, where can you see fish? Well, I can only see the fish in the fish market where they sell fish, especially whenever I go to any big store and they have one section, meat section, and there I see the fish in ice. Otherwise, I usually see fish on the internet, on YouTube, something like that. Okay. So try to come up with more ideas, and your language is weak. You need to improve your basic tenses and all that. Right? Thank you.